What's up everyone? No mod, no life in the house, and I painted the race car. Just kidding. This is my other 350Z. First time doing a video on this, and we'll address something here today. But first, let me explain what it is. We might as well. Hey, what's up? Come here in the front. Only thing you need is remove the air intake box. Disconnect the MEF sensor and bring it out. Let's go. Out with the old, in with the not new, but still. You can tell this has been here before already, right? Moment of truth. Let's take it for a ride. Hello. Check this moon, guys. Not sure if you can see it, but check this out. Nice. Woohoo. Looks good to me. NANI?! What the fuck? Too much action. I think I know what happened. The map, they didn't update yet, and I'm already flooring it, rev limiter with way more air, and the ECM just didn't understand we have way more air now. It's not yet dosing the injectors accordingly, so let's give it a while for the computer to understand, and then we come back. What happened is we just have so much more air now that we really killed the car. Alright, let's take it easy for a while until the car relearns the new air to fuel ratio, so it is able to send more fuel when it's getting more air. take it easy.
Is this working now?
I guess it is.
Emotional damage.